Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is the day, and without your help and continued support here on this channel that has started about 5 years ago, so I wouldn't be here without you. Well, we've finally reached 100,000 subscribers, and like I mentioned, I wouldn't have gotten here if I didn't have the support from you guys of watching the videos, which definitely stemmed from my 2008 BMW 335i. Which has definitely been the big part of this channel, right? Buying the N54 a little over 8 years ago, I was set out to, really help you guys, help the community out of showing just how easy it is to work on a BMW. It's really not that hard to do so, but I wanted to also do some really good step-by-step DIYs so that way you guys can do this stuff on your own. You don't have to pay a mechanic, you don't have to take it to the dealer. You can start working on your car because they are just as easy as any other car brand to really work on, to be honest with you, and just trying to give you guys some insight on maintenance, where to buy parts at, and stuff like that. That's what I've really tried to do here on the channel, is the main reason why I even started it in the first place. So too many questions and concerns, when I jumped on the platform, so I figured why better not to get it out here so that way anybody can find it and I can help you out along the way. So fast forwarding the 5 years or so, I wanted to then just get on another platform, and which is what you see here. I picked up a 2016 BMW M5 competition package, executive package, driver's assistance plus package, and of course the Bang & Olufsen stereo package. The M5 has been great, of course, just having a different platform, and the N54 335i is still great as well. So I just really want to thank you for your just continued support, of course, helping me out here on the channel, watching the videos, sharing them and stuff like that, and then also giving me some great ideas and pointers, along the way as well. So, we're going to continue pushing forward, of course, on both platforms, providing DIYs and stuff like that. Then I want to jump on another BMW engine platform, do the same kind of thing, guys, DIYs, maintenance, all the same thing. Quick little tour on both cars. Let's go ahead and start with the 335i. Obviously, this is the car that built this YouTube channel. So it is a 2008 335i, 158,000 miles, bought it with 92,000 miles. With working remote here out of my house for the last 3.5 years, I haven't really put any miles on really any vehicle. Keeping the mileage low on this one. Plenty, like I said, so many different videos on this car alone, which is crazy. Probably 450 plus videos just on this 335i, of course. Here's what an engine bay looks like. Of course, after detailed, but with 158,000 miles on it. Still looking really good. I tell you, the M3 cow is definitely thumbs up with just so much more room in the engine bay, and it just looks so much of a cleaner setup doing it that way. Lots of goodies that are there, of course, and still working really great. Now off to the M5. This is a 2016 BMW M5 competition package, executive package, driver's assistance plus package, and comes with a Bang & Olufsen stereo sound package. Silverstone metallic with the black 343 wheels as the option there. I've done quite a bit of little things to this one, of course, so just quickly, painted reflectors there on the front, black BMW Performance OE grills there. So no chrome, of course. Has 12mm burger tuning wheel spacers front and rear, which is perfect. And then the painted side M5 LED. So this is painted black through IND distribution. Same thing with this from IND distribution. The black 12mm wheel spacer, perfect there in that aspect. I have burger tuning exhaust tips, which are black, just to go with the competition look. The rear CF diffuser was already on there when I purchased it, so I did not add that. I did add the F90 since it is a competition package car. I did add the black F90 BMW OE one from IND as well. It also has I did a bunch of LED lighting. I did it all through the doors, the trunk, stuff like that. So that way you see, versus just the actual light, the halogen light. Now for engine bay mods. This has the JB4 on it, on map 1. I do have the BCM connections up here. That's way I need to attach those to the boost solenoids to be able to run map 2. But map 1 bumps it up another 4 to 5 PSI over stock. So it's a pretty easy 600 wheel horsepower from that side of things. Adding the BCM connections can get me about 645, 650. So definitely a nice, even more of a bump up. It's a rocket on map 1. So definitely does great. And of course the Project Gamma 3.5-inch intakes from the turbo housings, and then still all the way to the front sides. And this is where you can see filters on both sides. Sucks in the air, and they sound amazing just driving and getting into boost. They work great, and of course very attention grabbing when you have the hood popped, for sure. So I still want to do the intercoolers, charge pipes, and of course downpipes. It currently has 44,500 miles, so 1,500 miles I put on it, and it's works like a champ. It's really good, and it is a blast to drive, to say the least. Now we'll do the 335. All right, everyone, well, that does it here today. Appreciate the support on here to get the channel to 100,000 subscribers, and we're gonna get off to the next milestone as we move forward. So thanks again for all the support here on the channel. I really do appreciate it. You know, thanks for checking out the videos, sharing them, even just watching them, to say the least. Happy to be on this journey, and I'm happy to help everybody I can on the N54 platform, or even the M5 platform as well, and many more BMW platforms to come. Thanks again, guys, and hopefully you have a great rest of your day, and I'm gonna be chatting with you on the next video. Take care.